What you'll need for this project is a bunch of small firecrackers, strike anywhere matches, and 3/4 inch PVC end caps, 3/4 inch PVC pipe, 2 small screws, 150 grit sandpaper, and rubber bands. Take your 3/4 inch PVC and cut it at 1 3/4 inches. Now take your 3/4 inch end caps and drill 3 1/8 inch holes in one of the end caps. One in the center, one 1/8 inch away from the center hole, and the last one 1/8 inch on the other side. Now put a mark with a pencil on the top, the bottom, the right side, and the left side of your end cap, and then draw a line down it, and then put a mark 5/16 from the bottom and 5/16 from the curve of the top. Do this on all the marks that you made on the bottom of your end cap. Do this to both of your end caps. Now put both your end caps on the 3/4 inch PVC. You should offset your lines, so the bottom line is in between the two top lines. Using the same 1/8 inch drill bit, I'm going to drill all the holes that I marked on the end caps. Now I'm using a 4mm drill bit. I'm going to drill all the holes I just drilled. Taking off a end cap and drilling all the holes in the end cap with a 6mm drill bit. Do this to both end caps. Now I'm putting both end caps back on the PVC so the holes in the end caps are matching with the holes in the PVC. Okay, I got them together correctly. Now I'm going to use a razor blade and clean out the holes. I'm using a 1/16 inch drill bit and drilling through the end cap and the PVC on both sides. These will be for the screws to hold the whole thing together. I'm going to put one of the screws in right now on the side that does not have the 3 holes. Take your sandpaper and cut a 3 inch by a 1/2 inch strip. I'm going to add a split ring to make my sandpaper easier to pull off, but this is not necessary. To To hold the split ring on, I'm going to use a thin strip of duct tape. The way you build this grenade is you take 2 matches and put it on either side of the center hole. Then you take your firecracker and stick the fuse in the center hole. Then you put your end cap back on the PVC. The goal is to have the firecracker sitting on the bottom end cap, while the fuse is sticking out to the top end cap. Put your screw in the hole and screw it in. Now put 6mm airsoft BBs in all the holes that you drilled in your end caps. Take your sandpaper and place it over both matches, and then take a rubber band and put it on one side of the matches and over your grenade to hold on the sandpaper. Then take a second rubber band, put it in the exact same way on the other side of the matches. This will apply even pressure on the matches as you pull it off. Taking a third rubber band and doubling it up, and then placing it over the excess sandpaper, this will not only hold the sandpaper down, but it will also hold down the other rubber bands as you pull the sandpaper off.